Hello guys, this is Paritosh and welcome to 7th video on AWS related tutorial. And today we're gonna learn about policy, which is the last topic in IAM. So let's start this topic. Okay, so guys, if you have remembered in the last video, we have created two users. One was BAT and one was SOUP, and we have provided SOUP an administrative access policy and BAT has system administrative policy. Okay, so in the background I also created another user called Spidey. So guys, here we can see Marvel and DC both at one place. Okay, so so this Spidey user, I provided him a SQS read-only access policy. So guys, SQS is simple queue services. It is just a service provided by AWS, and we will learn it in details in a few slides later. Just for this course I have given it this new user access on SQS as a read-only through policy. Okay, and now we will check how the policy works. To check how policy works, we will go to policy simulator. Okay, so policy simulator is nothing but a testing ground of policy and how it works. Anything that we make changes in policy simulator will not affect on the live environment. So you can also log into the policy simulator by policy.sim.aws.amazon.com and enter your email account or password that you have registered with AWS. It might also ask you about your MFA code if you have already activated your MFA code for your account. Okay guys, now we are inside the policy simulator. Here you can check we have all the three users, and if you will go to the drop down, you can see the groups and the roles that we have created in the last videos. And for this video, let's check about the users, so it will be easy to understand how policy works. So guys, policy is nothing but a document created in the JSON format. Okay, so JSON means JavaScript object notation. So policy is just a JSON document which defines the permission. Okay, so let us check first about SOUP. So SOUP has administrator access. So this is the JSON document that I was talking about. It is written in a text format. Okay, so first there is a version, then a statement, and in statement there is effect, action, and resource. So effect is allow or denied, action is what action we want to perform on the resource, and resource we provide the details about the resource. So here it is star mark. Star mark means everything, all. So this policy document states that the permission is to allow every action on every resource. Okay, so this is what administrator access is about. Now let us check about the another user, BAT. So BAT has a system administrator access policy. So see guys, the policy starts with version, statement, and in statement we have effect that says allow, and then we have different actions, and the list of the action goes on and on. So these are all the actions that user can perform. Okay, so now we will check our third user. So Spidey has Amazon SQS read-only policy. So let us check. So guys, here you can check in action there is get queue attributes and list queue attribute list queues. These are the two actions that is allowed by the by this policy. Okay, here you can say see allow. So these are the two actions that is allow. Now let us run the simulation and check what happens. So we click here, and as it says SQS service, so we will select SQS and then select all actions. So guys, see there are 20 actions in SQS. So in 20 actions there are only 2 actions which are allowed. Okay, so let's run the simulation. Okay guys, so see every action is denied except that these two, and these two are queue attributes and list queues. Okay, and then if we will check our document policy, it says queue attributes and list queues. Okay, so document whatever the document says in allow, it also shows in the simulation. Okay, and rest everything is denied. So here guys, one more thing I want to point it out, that if you want to allow anything, we have to explicitly define it. If we don't define it, everything is implicitly denied. In simple terms, we can say that if we want to allow something, we have to especially give the allow permission, or else everything is denied by default. Okay, so let's make some changes in the policy document here, and let's check what changes can we do in simulation. Okay, so what should we do? Okay, so let's allow everything. Yes, sure. Okay, so let's allow everything. So we will change the policy to allow everything in SQS, and then we will check the simulation. Okay, so guys, as I said, to allow everything we use star mark. Okay, and we will in action, it's SQS and it is allowed everything. So in SQS, in action, it is SQS, everything is allowed resource. Okay, and then we click on apply, and then we run the simulation again. Okay, so something went wrong. Did I make some mistake? Okay, I think yes, I made some mistake. Okay, so now I click on apply, policy is applied, and now I run the simulation. Okay guys, so now you can see that everything is allowed. So this is how the policy document works. So guys, I think this is all for the video, and in the next video we will start a new topic. Hope you have learned something. Please guys, like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.